Here I'll be comparing and contrasting the Tenikle 360 with the Tenikle Pro. As you can see, the Tenikle Pro has a much more interactive packaging, while the Tenikle 360 has a more closed-off packaging, so we can't really see the product until we open the flap. Here I am opening the old Tenikle 360 with the components, this full plastic clip, the Tenikle 360, and the fourth arm attachment with the screws. Here I am assembling the Tenikle 360, and I can kind of feel the difference from the Tenikle Pro right off the bat. It feels a lot different. As you can see in the Tenikle Pro, I can actually use and touch these arms, and we can feel how sturdy they are while seeing the practical uses of the product itself. They even have a holographic text. Here's me opening the Tenikle Pro, pulling it out, and now we can see how sturdy and elevated this Tenikle Pro looks. Now as I pull it out of the box, I can tell right off the bat there's a more slick feel to it. The rubber they use is matted and it's not shiny like the old one. Here's a compare and contrast to the suction cups. The suction cup geometry is much more shallow in the new Tenikle Pro than it is in the Tenikle 360. And here is the divots for the filming, so you can lock these in, so instead of having this shaky mount, you get a much sturdier approach. So here they are, side by side. We're very stoked on the new Tenikle Pro model. Thanks for watching.